The brain during sleep. Nighttime secrets that shape your life. What if I told you that right now, as you watch this video, your brain is preparing for one of the most remarkable transformations in nature? Every night it becomes a true information processing factory, operating in a mode that scientists until recently considered impossible. Picture this. Recent studies from 2025 showed that just one night of sleep deprivation triggers processes in your brain comparable to neurodegenerative diseases. Meanwhile, Professor Hiroki Ueda's team at the University of Tokyo proved that during sleep, the brain can literally learn new skills. Sounds like science fiction? Welcome to the reality of modern sleep neuroscience. We now live in an era where 1/3 of adults sleep fewer than 7 hours per night. We sacrifice sleep for work, entertainment, and social media. But what if I told you that sleep isn't lost time, but rather the most important investment in your future? Over the past 3 years, sleep neuroscience has undergone a true revolution. Research from 2023 through 2025 has fundamentally changed our understanding of what happens in the brain during sleep. We no longer view sleep as passive rest. Now we know it's an active, highly organized process that determines literally everything, from your ability to retain information to your lifespan. It's crucial to note that modern research shows a direct connection between sleep quality and structural brain changes. A research team from Rice University, led by Valentin Dragoi, discovered in 2024 that even a brief 30-minute nap can dramatically improve neural network function. Over the next 25 minutes, we'll journey into the nighttime brain. You'll learn how your brain transforms into the perfect recovery machine, why a unique cleaning system activates during sleep, and how memories that define your personality are formed. We'll explore the latest neuroscience discoveries and, most importantly, I'll give you concrete tools for optimizing your sleep. Ready to discover what happens in your head when you close your eyes? Part 1. The Great Reboot. How the brain restores itself during sleep. Imagine the world's most powerful computer running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Eventually, it would start malfunctioning, overheating, and losing performance. That's exactly why engineers created the reboot procedure. Scientists now understand sleep is precisely that reboot for your brain, but far more complex and elegant than any computer system. Next, it's important to understand a key concept in modern neuroscience: the brain's critical point theory. Researcher Keith Hengen proposed that during wakefulness, the brain gradually approaches a critical point, a state where neural networks become unstable. It's like a taut string about to snap. Sleep returns the brain to its optimal state, preventing catastrophic forgetting, a phenomenon well known in machine learning. But how exactly does this reboot occur? A recent study by the Rice University team revealed a remarkable mechanism. During slow-wave sleep, that deep sleep when you barely respond to external stimuli, brain circuit synchronization occurs. Imagine an orchestra where each musician played their part out of sync. Sleep is the conductor that makes everyone play in unison. We now know that this synchronization triggers a cascade of restorative processes. First, synaptic restructuring occurs. Your brain literally decides which connections between neurons to strengthen and which to weaken. It's like a gardener pruning excess branches so the tree grows stronger. Unnecessary, inefficient connections are weakened, while important neural pathways are reinforced. Second, energy balance is restored. During wakefulness, neurons actively consume glucose, the brain's primary fuel. By day's end, reserves are depleted and mitochondria, the cell's power plants, work at their limit. Sleep initiates the restoration process. Glucose stores are replenished, mitochondria are repaired, and neurons' ability to efficiently produce energy is restored. Third, fine-tuning of neurotransmitters occurs, the chemical messengers that enable communication between neurons. Dopamine, serotonin, norepinephrine, all these substances must maintain perfect balance. Sleep is when the brain calibrates these systems, preparing them for a new day of learning and adaptation. It's important to note that this process doesn't just restore the brain, it optimizes it. Research shows that after quality sleep, neural networks don't just work as before, but better. It's like a car after professional maintenance. It's not just functional, it operates at peak performance. But restoration is only the beginning of your brain's nighttime wonders. While some systems handle repairs, others perform even more amazing work. Part 2. Night cleaning. The glymphatic system and brain cleansing. Picture a large city after a holiday festival. Streets are littered with trash, sewers are clogged, air is polluted. What happens next? Cleaning crews arrive, work all night, and by morning the city gleams with cleanliness. Scientists now know the exact same operation occurs in your brain every night, only far more complex and vital. Next, we'll dive into one of modern neuroscience's most revolutionary discoveries, the glymphatic system. Danish researcher Maiken Nedergaard discovered it, and this discovery literally revolutionized our understanding of sleep functions. It turns out the brain has its own sewage system that activates specifically during sleep. How does it work? During deep sleep, something remarkable happens. Brain cells called astrocytes literally shrink. Imagine a sponge that compresses and expands. When astrocytes compress, intercellular spaces expand by 60%. This creates wide channels through which cerebrospinal fluid can freely circulate, like a river that has overflowed its banks and washes everything in its path. But what exactly does this river wash away? We now know that the glymphatic system removes toxic proteins that accumulate in the brain during wakefulness. The most famous is beta amyloid, the very protein that forms plaques in Alzheimer's disease. Tau protein, linked to other neurodegenerative diseases, is also removed, along with numerous other metabolic byproducts that can damage neurons. It's important to note norepinephrine's role in this process. 2025 studies showed that during deep sleep, norepinephrine, the neurotransmitter responsible for wakefulness and attention, virtually disappears from the brain. This triggers rhythmic contractions of brain arteries that work like a pump, enhancing the outflow of waste from the brain. But the glymphatic system isn't just a cleaner. Recent research showed that during sleep, metabolic restructuring of the entire brain occurs. Cells switch to a special mode, survival and restoration mode. Energy-intensive processes such as protein synthesis for growth and division are temporarily suspended. Instead, repair and cleaning processes take priority. Imagine a factory that produces goods during the day, then stops production at night to perform equipment maintenance. That's exactly how your brain works. During the day, it actively processes information, makes decisions, and forms memories. At night, it switches to maintenance mode, repairs damage, cleans up waste, and prepares for a new workday. Scientists now understand disruption of glymphatic system function may be one cause of neurodegenerative disease development. People who chronically lack sleep have elevated levels of toxic proteins in their brains. It's like a city where cleaning services work poorly. Gradually, it becomes a dump. But while some systems clean up waste, others are busy with equally important work. They sort and archive your memories. Part 3. Memory archive. How sleep shapes memories and learning. Imagine a librarian working every night in a vast library. He sorts new books, decides which to place prominently, which to archive, and which to discard as unnecessary. He creates new catalogs, connects disparate topics, and prepares space for tomorrow's arrivals. We now know this is exactly how your brain works with memories during sleep. Next, we'll examine one of the most fascinating processes occurring in the sleeping brain: memory consolidation. This isn't simply information storage, but it's active processing and optimization. A recent Yale University study showed that during sleep, the brain can flicker between memories of different events, processing multiple experiences simultaneously without mutual interference. How does this happen? During slow-wave sleep, dialogue activates between the hippocampus, the memory center, and the cerebral cortex. The hippocampus essentially replays the day's events in fast forward, while the cortex decides what to do with them. It's like reviewing vacation photos. Some you save in an album, others you delete, still others you edit and enhance. Scientists have now discovered a remarkable phenomenon: the serial position effect during sleep. Research shows that the first and last events of the day have the strongest representations during sleep. This explains why we better remember the beginning and end of a movie, but often forget the middle. But sleep doesn't just preserve memory, it transforms it. It's important to note that during sleep, a process occurs that scientists call preparation for new learning. A 2024 study showed that certain parts of the hippocampus literally go silent during sleep, freeing space for new information. It's like formatting a hard drive. Old information is archived, and free space is prepared for tomorrow's memories. Recent discoveries and creative insights are particularly interesting. Professor Hiroki Ueda's team at the University of Tokyo proved that during sleep, the brain can form new connections between disparate memories. This explains why many great discoveries came to scientists in sleep, from benzene's structure to Mendeleev's periodic table. We now understand this process's mechanism. During sleep, normal thinking constraints are relaxed and the brain can create unexpected associations. Imagine a card file where cards usually lie in strict order. During sleep, this order is disrupted, and cards can form new, unexpected combinations. Next, it's important to understand sleep's role in emotional processing. Research shows that during sleep, memory's emotional burden decreases. Traumatic or stressful events lose their sharpness and integrate into overall experience. It's like time healing wounds, only it happens not over months, but in one night. But what happens when this perfectly tuned system fails? What occurs to the brain when we deprive it of this vital restoration process? Part 4. The price of sleep deprivation. How sleep disruptions affect brain and health. Imagine a factory operating without maintenance. First, small breakdowns, then serious failures, and eventually complete production shutdown. Scientists now understand chronic sleep deprivation does exactly this to your brain. A recent meta-analysis of over 100 studies from 2025 showed a frightening picture of how sleep lack literally destroys brain structure. Next, we'll examine what happens to the brain with chronic sleep deprivation. The first changes concern brain structure. 2023 MRI studies showed that people sleeping fewer than 7 hours experience decreased gray matter volume. The frontal lobes, the area responsible for decision-making, planning, and impulse control, suffer especially. It's as if musicians gradually disappeared from an orchestra. First, the sound becomes less rich, then cacophony begins. But structural changes are only the tip of the iceberg. It's important to note that sleep deprivation triggers a cascade of metabolic disruptions in the brain. Glucose metabolism in neurons is disrupted. Brain cells literally begin starving. Imagine a city under siege. First, food supplies run out, then malnutrition begins, then irreversible changes occur. We now know that sleep deprivation disrupts glymphatic system function. Remember that cleaning system we discussed? With insufficient sleep, it works poorly, and toxic proteins begin accumulating in the brain. Research shows that just one night of sleep deprivation increases brain beta amyloid levels by 5%. It's as if city cleaning services worked at half capacity. Waste accumulates faster than it's removed. Next, cognitive impairments occur. Attention and concentration decline. You become like a driver trying to navigate in fog. Working memory deteriorates, the ability to hold and process information. Decision-making is impaired. The prefrontal cortex, our internal CEO, works as if under constant stress. But the most frightening aspect is long-term consequences. A 2025 meta-analysis showed that chronic sleep deprivation increases dementia risk by 40%. This isn't just statistics. These are real people losing themselves because they didn't allow their brains to recover. Scientists now understand this connections mechanism. Sleep deprivation triggers chronic brain inflammation. Microglia, brain immune cells that normally protect neurons, become activated, but during chronic inflammation, begin damaging them. It's like an immune system attacking its own organism. It's important to note that sleep deprivation affects not only the brain. Hormone regulation is disrupted. Insulin, cortisol, growth hormones. This increases risk of type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and obesity. Your brain connects to every body cell, and when it suffers, everything suffers. But there's good news. Research shows many changes are reversible. Restoring quality sleep can partially restore brain structure, improve cognitive functions, and reduce inflammation levels. The brain possesses remarkable recovery ability, neuroplasticity. Now, knowing all this, the main question arises: how can we use this knowledge to optimize our sleep and consequently our lives? Conclusion. We now stand at the threshold of a new era of sleep understanding. What seemed mystical just 10 years ago today has clear scientific explanation. Sleep isn't lost time. It's an active process that determines your entire life's quality. It's important to note key conclusions from our journey into the nighttime brain. First, sleep is an active restoration and optimization process. Your brain doesn't simply rest. It performs critically important functions impossible during wakefulness. Second, the glymphatic system works as a cleaning service, removing toxic proteins and preparing the brain for a new day. Third, memory isn't just preserved during sleep. It's actively restructured and optimized. Next, we understood sleep deprivation's price. Chronic sleep lack triggers a cascade of changes comparable to neurodegenerative diseases. But most importantly, many of these changes are reversible with quality sleep restoration. You now have scientifically based motivation to change your attitude towards sleep. Start small. Establish regular bedtime. Create a cool and dark sleep environment. Limit device use 1 hour before bed. Remember, every night of quality sleep is an investment in your future health, memory, and longevity. Subscribe to the Psychologically channel for new discoveries in neuroscience. In the next video, we'll examine specific sleep biohacking techniques based on the latest scientific data. Meanwhile, remember, your brain works for you 24 hours a day. Give it what it truly needs: quality, restorative sleep. Your future self will thank you.